you see like the ship that is behind us, you see that ship? Yeah, you see that ship? That ship got stuck there for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. That ship got stuck there for 2 weeks. 2 whole weeks. And the people imagine inside there. The good thing is that they have accessibility, like they give it food as they take.
Where are you getting water from?
The ship, like there were big rocks there in the waves. They got stuck like in between the rocks. So
What do you think I got?
bad luck for them. They miss all this. They miss all this.